Hello, in this video we will work on success in work and increase in income. For the settings to work, free your mind from negativity. But you need to work on yourself every day. Only in this case you will get the result. Therefore, let's get started. Repeat after me. I climbed the career ladder easily and naturally, thereby increasing my income. I am a perpetual motion machine, able to do my job better than anyone else. I deserve to have my own successful business. I grow professionally easily. My aspirations in work are encouraged by a good reward. I clearly see the path to success and increase my level of income. I know how to make money. I am constantly rising to the next level spiritually and professionally. Every day I develop for my further career advancement. I study every day, and fate gives me blessings for this. My work and I enjoy complementing each other. My work is my life's dream. In my work, I can express myself as a creative person using my full potential. All around me is the respect of colleagues and partners. I often help my colleagues by getting help from them in return. Competitors often offer me jobs with large incomes. My work is a holiday. I do not see myself in another job because this one suits me perfectly in all respects. I have the right to an income that allows me and my loved ones to live in pleasure. I am worthy of high rewards, being a valuable employee. I do for a good salary the work that I can do for free. The universe helps me achieve my career goals. I am never without a job and without a good income. My workplace will not leave me anywhere, and the salary will always please. I am filled with enthusiasm, which helps me in my career growth and receiving a stable monetary incentive. I love making big money. The universe gives me as many material goods as I need for a decent life. Every year my income increases, exceeding my desires. Wealth is attracted to me easily and quickly. The universe gives me the happiness of being independent. joyful job can bring a huge income. My career grows in proportion to my income. All my talents help me to go in an innovative way, overtaking all competitors. I am confident in myself, and since that moment, my career has been going uphill, bringing me more and more income. All opportunities lie in front of me, and I achieve the highest success, both career and financial. I find more and more ways to make money, and I am grateful to the universe for this. My talents are my source of income. If you want to know how to attract wealth and financial abundance into your life, watch this video.